Finding the right coffee grinder can be a daunting task, especially when there are so many options available today. A poor grinder can ruin your coffee experience by leaving your beans unevenly ground, resulting in a bland cup. Today, we'll dive into 5 outstanding coffee grinders that stand out on Amazon for their performance and value. Stay tuned to discover which one might just be the ultimate choice for your morning brew. You won't want to miss our #1 pick, which offers incredible features at a fantastic price. Remember, links in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. KRUPS Precision Electric Coffee Grinders. The KRUPS Precision Electric Coffee Grinder is perfect for coffee enthusiasts who demand precision in every cup. With a powerful motor and stainless steel blades, this grinder ensures a consistent grind that enhances flavor extraction. It features a built-in scale that allows you to measure your beans accurately for a perfect brew every time. Ideal for those who enjoy experimenting with different coffee styles. The KRUPS grinder excels in delivering various grind sizes from fine to coarse. However, it can be slightly noisy during operation, which might be a drawback for those who prefer a quieter morning routine. Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind Electric Coffee Grinder. The Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind Electric Coffee Grinder is an excellent choice for budget-conscious coffee lovers who want quality without breaking the bank. This grinder features a sleek design and a simple one-touch operation that makes it user-friendly. Its removable grinding chamber allows for easy filling and cleaning, making it a practical choice for everyday use. It provides a consistent grind whether you're preparing espresso or a French press. However, it has a smaller capacity compared to some others, making it less ideal for brewing larger quantities at once. Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind Electric Coffee Grinder. Once again, the Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind Electric Coffee Grinder stands out for its fantastic balance of value and performance. This grinder is designed for those who appreciate the simplicity of brewing coffee at home, allowing you to grind fresh beans with ease. The durable stainless steel blades ensure that you achieve a uniform grind, no matter how fine or coarse you prefer. Additionally, its compact size makes it easy to store. A minor drawback is that it doesn't have a timer, so you need to keep an eye on it while grinding to avoid overprocessing the beans. Cuisinart Electric Burr Coffee Grinder. For those seeking a professional-grade grinding experience at home, the Cuisinart Electric Burr Coffee Grinder is a top-tier selection. Known for its durable construction and reliable performance, this grinder features an adjustable grind selector with 18 different settings catering to any brewing method you desire. The Burr mechanism ensures an even grind, maximizing flavor extraction from your coffee beans. It's perfect for coffee aficionados who want to craft the perfect cup. However, the initial setup and cleaning can be slightly more involved than simpler models, which may be a consideration for some buyers. OXO Brew Conical Burr Electric Coffee Bean Grinder. The OXO Brew Conical Burr Electric Coffee Bean Grinder takes the top spot for its blend of quality, design, and user-friendliness. This grinder features a stainless steel conical burr that provides a consistent grind while minimizing heat buildup, preserving the rich flavors of your beans. The simple one-touch operation and built-in timer make it incredibly easy to use, allowing you to grind just the right amount for any brewing method. Perfect for both novice and expert coffee makers, this grinder excels in versatility and reliability. While it might be slightly pricier than others on the list, the investment pays off in the exceptional quality of your coffee. Whichever coffee grinder you choose, investing in a quality grinder is essential for elevating your coffee game. From precision to value, each of these picks offers something unique to enhance your brewing experience. Don't forget to check the description for the links to these products and find the best deals. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe for more coffee tips, and let us know your favorite coffee grinder in the comments below.